프로젝트 뒤쪽으로 웨스필드가 자리 잡고 있고 각종 정부기관들이 도보 가능한 매물로서 특히 캔버라 최대 인프라스트럭처 개발 계획인 라이트레일 스테이지 2가 오픈을 앞두고 있습니다. 우든밸리 프로젝트의 경우는 스테이지 1은 2024년 중순을, 스테이지 2는 2024년 중순에서 말을 공사 완료 목표로 공사가 순조롭게 진행되고 있습니다. 감사합니다.
Today we're standing on level 7, tower 2, where behind me you can see our prefabricated bathrooms being rolled in. We've got 984 bathrooms across all 4 towers, which are currently being manufactured down in Melbourne and shipped up and delivered on site. They get rolled into our delivery area down the bottom there on ground floor. They're then forklift off, placed in a specialised alley-mac, which has been designed to take the pods. And then they're transported up vertically through the alley-mac, then skated into position through piano trolleys. We're currently up to level 13 on Tower 2 and looking to top out these buildings late this year with the anticipation of people moving in mid-2024. It's a very exciting time to be around in construction in Woden. We've got the CIT area being built. There's a lot of growth happening in Woden and Wova is going to be a great project to tick that off.